Hello, I'm Sabine. I'm Head of Training at DFS Aviation Academy, A Square. Welcome to our facilities. I like to introduce you some members of my team today and take you on a little tour on our facilities.
Hi, I'm Toby. I'm 24. I'm working for DAS since 1 year as a simulator pilot. I'm in the tower crew and we're doing the initial training of very new air traffic controllers, but also refresher training. And I love to work here with a great team.
Hello, I'm Adva Adiv, Head of Training for the Israeli Airports Authority. Starting 2018, we've been partnering with DFS Aviation Services, and we receive trainings for 200 controllers. We are extremely satisfied with the courses.
Hi, my name is Jan. I'm 25 years old. This year in May, I started my initial training to become an air traffic controller here at DAS. What I most like about the academy is the digital approach. Everything we have for theory is on iPads, the small group size, as well as the individual support from the trainers.
Hello, my name is Bianca. Welcome to our 360-degree simulator. We provide tower simulation to international and other clients here. This is a DFS Aviation Services simulator, one of the biggest on the DFS facility.